Well, hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I have a designer inspired DIY that I found from Pinterest to share with you. As always, it's simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For this DIY, I'm going to be starting off with some foam board, and I'm just going to use a bowl and trace out 2 circles. Now I'm just going to go back in with this old candle lid, and I'm just going to trace out a smaller circle inside of the larger circle that I just created. Right here you just see me using a craft knife to cut out the pattern. I printed off this Chanel logo from offline, and I've drawn some lines on it to help me line up the circles. Now I'll be using some glitter and Mod Podge. I decided to create another set of logos so that I have another one prepared for a later project. And right here you just see me going back in with that same pattern, and I'm going to hot glue the C's together. I'll be using these diamond base fillers from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm just going to take this clear bowl from Dollar Tree as well as some clear translucent glue and just coat the entire bowl. Once my bowl's all covered, I'm going in with this fine silver glitter. I'm adding some hot glue so that I can place the bowl in the center of the project. I'm going to use a piece of leftover foam board from when I cut out the C's to complete the back of my project. Right here you just see me adding some fairy lights, and once I have them just about where I would like to place them, I'm going to go back in with some hot glue to secure them into position. And so here's what it looks like. I really love it. What do you guys think? So guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. A beautiful Chanel inspired DIY that you can recreate for yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, please subscribe to the channel as well as hitting that notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.